The scarcity of water in summer season is very high. The many people face water problem in this season. Also in this season the availability of salty water is more. So the problem of drinking water in this season is very high. So the solution of all this situation is rainwater harvesting and store the water. The farmer and also many people not construct highly water storage tank. Therefore we decide to construct low cost water storage tank which is economical to conventional water tank. So the project name is construction of water tank above the ground by using ferro cement and bamboo reinforcement. Presented by Vinayak Pale, Shubham Katalkar, Prashant Pale and Akshay Aukere. The project guide Professor G.D. Parvalekar sir and the co-guide is Dr. S.K. Patil sir and also Mr. Kelkar sir for helping us. The construction of water storage tank above the ground by using ferro cement and bamboo reinforcement. This final year project conduct at Gharda Institute of Technology, Khed, Department of Civil Engineering.
Ferro cement is older techniques. It is composite of cement mortar and reinforcement in the form of layer of mesh. Material required are for the construction of tank is sand, cement, aggregate, wire mesh, chicken mesh, bamboo and steel. We made bamboo strips of 8 mm to 10 mm diameter and steel diameter also 8 mm to 10 mm.
To avoid any fungus effect, we applied cashew nut shell oil on bamboo strips. After the collection of material, we mark layout of tank on ground and we made level the ground. After that, we carried out soiling with small stones placing at adjacent to one at another and compact them with rammer. Over the soiling, the layer of PCC is made of thickness 75 mm and it is to kept from curing, and M15 grade used for concreting.
The reinforcement of steel and bamboo are bind with spacing of 230 mm. After that, the wire mesh is bind on outer side of the tank and chicken mesh is bind on both sides of the tank. For stability of reinforcement, we carried out concreting at the base of reinforcement of M15 grade of thickness 4 cm. The mortar is applied on the mesh reinforcement. By hand, the proportion was 1:3.
After that, to provide finished surface, we applied ferro cement application coat. It also protects the surface from atmosphere condition and cover the defective workmanship. And last step is most important, that is curing. Curing should be done properly. We use wet gunning bags for curing purpose. We kept this tank for 28 days for curing. After that, ferro cement tank is ready to be used.
For obtaining the compressive strength of mortar, we casted 3 cubes of 75 into 75 into 75 mm. We replaced cement with fly ash. The percentage of replacement is varying from 5%, 10% and 15%.
The total cost of construction is 12,220 rupees for 4,300 liter tank, that is 2.84 rupees per liter, which is much less than RCC construction or any other method.